Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Cassie here. I'm going to be showing you an analysis today on Ethereum. Ethereum is a coin that we're going to be adding to our channel because we think it pairs really well with Matic. So we'll have Tara on XRP and Bitcoin and myself on Matic and Ethereum. So if you want to see what wave I think it's on and where it's headed, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we have Ethereum pulled up here on TradingView. I'm in on the daily just so we can see all of these waves here. I'm going to show you something that I've been tracking. Down here on the RSI, you can see I have this wedge pulled up here. Actually, it might be a little bit hard for you to see, but on the RSI, it is building this weird looking wedge that I've been tracking for months on Ethereum, and from this last low, it's broken out of that wedge, and on the smaller time frames, it's just starting to come back into that wedge. So that is a confirmation of what I'm about to tell you next. So you can see here, I've already have these fibs on the large time frame marked here, and we are now resting right at the 0.5 fib. So in my opinion, this has completed wave A. If I zoom in a little bit more to 4 hour and even less, all of the bottoms are bullish except for the daily. So in my opinion, we're not going to see a bullish divergence on the RSI until we hit C, but right now it's looking good for A right here. So I'm going to get that marked and kind of show you what I'm thinking or what that looks like. So it's very similar to Bitcoin. This would be A, and then we'll get our measurement for B and then our measurement for C. Let's get this rescaled here so it looks a little nicer. Okay, so just for B, it's the same as always. We're gonna do our fib retracement for the 0.5 fib area, just like that. So then B will come up to target this 35.18. Now you can put in the exact prices here, but just for this demonstration, I'm just gonna manually do that. So 35.18, I think I've put them in manually before, and it was actually 35.10. So be careful about that. But you can see this 0.5 area has significant price action to the left, which helps to confirm our target there. And then I want to show you on the daily something also. Let's rescale here. A little bit better. But you can see what I wanted to show you is this MA is coming right to this 0.5 fib, so it's telling us that this is going to act as significant resistance here. So that is exactly what I'm thinking, B coming up to this 35.18. Now what we want to see on B is it building an ABC, and I'm going to zoom in a second on this B and show you kind of what I'm thinking, how that will play out. But let's get our target down here for C while we're zoomed out here. So we're going to hide those markings a second so we can get a good top and bottom. So just like there. And then up for our B, and I'm just going to extend it a little bit out. Don't mind my puppy over there. He's pretty much obsessed with me. Okay, so I have our C over here, and you can see the 1 of 1 for C is landing perfectly at the 854 retrace at 820, 800 area. So this will be our bottom C target, and this is where I'm going to expect to see on the daily that we make that bullish diversion finally. So let's get zoomed in for this B and kind of see how it's developed so far. It hasn't come up so far. I think it's only reached a 236 retrace, which is very small. But let's just see if we can find any pattern forming or any development so far. Okay, yeah. So you can see not much has developed from this bottom here. It's not too clear. It is possible that this is a wave 2 here of A, with A landing at 382 typically. So let's just get the ABC, the larger ABC marked. And since it's a B wave, this is not gonna look pretty. It's gonna be corrective, it's not gonna be impulsive, and it's gonna be difficult to trade. So I don't think this is something that you're gonna want to long up here. Just take the short trades. So it would look something like this. Something like this. So let's just get that B a second. Put it down like that. So what I mean by taking the short trades is in Ethereum, you would short this 382 for B, and then you would short the 0.5 again, coming down for C. Something like that. And I'm gonna update you guys as this develops, as A develops and we hit this target, I'll update you, and as we go on, I'll update. But for now, that's where I think it's heading, and let's get this A marked out so you guys can maybe trade to that here too. Something like this. That's how it should look, something like. And we can even go in and measure these, but for now I think this is okay, especially if you long to that bottom there. But you would want to for sure take profit here or even at this third wave target, and I would be stacking shorts. I wouldn't be longing any of this B. Okay, and that's what I have for you guys today. Please let me know down in the comments if you want to see more Ethereum updates. If you like these kind of updates, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also follow me over on Twitter, where I can update you guys a lot quicker than YouTube. Definitely in this market, it needs to be updated all the time. So make sure you follow me over there. And until next time, bye.